Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand what do you mean by machine level language. What do you mean by machine level language? In the last class we studied about what do you mean by program, what do you mean by programming language and different classifications of programming languages. In this video we are going to see what do you mean by machine level language. It is also called as low level language. It is also called as binary language. Let's try to understand the concept. So machine level language is the only language that a machine or a computer can understand. So I am a human being. I can understand English, I can understand Hindi, Kannada. These are the three languages in which I can write, I can read. But our machine or our computer or our mobile can understand only this language, that is machine level language. That's why it is called as the low level language. It is the lowest level of language where machines can understand. That is called machine level language. In our English language we have A to Z alphabets are there, right? In the same way in Hindi, in Kannada, or in any language, in any natural language we have alphabets. In the same way machine level language has only two digits, that is 0 and 1. These 0 and 1s are like alphabets of other natural languages. These zeros and ones are the digits. They are called as the bits. They are called as bits. Okay, machine level language or binary language has only two digits, that is 0 and 1. These are called as the bits. Whatever we write in machine level language, it has to be written only in zeros and ones. Let's understand how it is. Suppose I am writing I am human. I am human. This is an English statement. If I use machine level language, that is if I write the same statement in zeros and ones, it might be like this: 0 1 1 0. Am means 1 1 0 0. I am just giving an example. If you write like human means, maybe it might be 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1, something like this. See, this is I am a human. It is a English language. This one, it is a machine language where we are writing everything in terms of zeros and ones. These zeros and ones are called as the bits. Only two digits are used in the binary language. So it is also called as the first generation language, or it is also called as the lowest level of language. Machines or computers or mobiles, any machine can understand only this machine language. If we give instructions to a computer to perform a task, we have to give the instructions in zeros and ones only, because machine can understand only zeros and ones. I cannot write like this: add two numbers. I cannot give the instructions to a machine like this. I have to write this instruction in zeros and ones like this. Then only a machine can understand the instructions, isn't it? Because machine can understand only zeros and ones. This is called as the binary language or machine language. But for us it is very difficult to remember zeros and ones. This is called as the bit pattern. Suppose if I write a single letter like school, it is very easy to remember for me. But if I write this one in zeros and ones, it might be like this. It is very difficult for me to remember these instructions. But in order to give any task to the computer, I have to give the instructions in machine level language only. But it is very difficult to remember machine language. So let us see what are the advantages of machine language. First one is it is fast, because if I give the instructions in machine level language, that is zeros and ones, easily machine can understand the instruction and it can perform the task, isn't it? It can easily perform the task. That is, the code or program will work very fast because machine will understand the instruction very easily. Okay, that is the main advantage of the machine level language. What is the main disadvantage? It is very difficult to remember machine level language because everything is written in zeros and ones. This is the main disadvantage. Okay, and that is, it is very difficult to remember the machine language. That is the main disadvantage because everything is written in zeros and ones. But it works very fast. That is the main advantage of the machine level language. Thank you.